So let's say you have images that have image titles that mean nothing. This is an example where when I hover over this image, the browser shows a tooltip, which is the image title. If you inspect the image, if you check the image title, it will be the same text that the browser shows when you hover on the image. Getting rid of all image titles is quite easy. You can head over to this article. I will link to this in the description box. Scroll down and find the piece of code right here. Add this to the functions.php of your active theme and you're good to go. Hiding all image titles, while is the easiest way to do it, it's not the right way to do it. The reason is image titles are relevant for accessibility and SEO. When you remove image titles, you're depriving the image of that extra information that could be used by search engines and users to understand what the image is about. Also, once you use that piece of code, none of the images will have image titles anymore. Even the images that you upload from here on, and say you want to add titles and make them right, but that won't be possible. We can use a different approach to fix this. Here I have the Image Attributes Pro plugin and base plugin installed and activated. Let's see how we can use the plugin to fix this specific issue. So I head over to the settings page. I go to bulk updated settings. And since we are only dealing with image title, we can uncheck all the other attributes. So I have selected just update image title. I'll scroll down to image title settings and select use custom attribute. And I'll leave it blank for now. And I'll select update all image titles in media library and post. Go and save the settings. Then I'll head over to the bulk updater tab and I'm going to run the bulk updater. So it's going to update every image on the website. Let's check the results. So if we see right now, the title attribute is removed, and when I hover over the image, there is nothing displayed. This is definitely one solution. So you have no titles for your existing images, and from here on you can add relevant image titles to your image. A better solution would be to use something more relevant. So most likely you can use the product name or the post title as the image title. That's a very close match. Let's see how we can do that using Image Attributes Pro. Again, back to bulk updated settings, just selected image title. I'll scroll down to image title settings, and this time I'll select use post title as image title text. The bulk updated behavior, I've selected update all images in media library and post. Back to save settings. And since I have to run the bulk updater all over again, I'm going to reset the counter. So start from scratch again. I'll run the bulk updater and I've completed all images. Go back to the post. So if you see, when I hover on the image, it says the title of the article. So that is how you could use Image Attributes Pro to remove all image titles from WordPress images, or even better, replace them with something better and more relevant to your images. All right, I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.